Denise Morris here from Knack Training, and today's quick fix tutorial video is about clear all formatting inside of Excel. Have you ever opened a messy spreadsheet and wish you could start fresh? Well, I'm going to show you how you can clear all the formatting instantly without delaying your data. Let me show you how to do it. If you receive a workbook from a coworker and they have done some different formatting to it that maybe you would not want to utilize, we don't need to copy and paste. We can just clear the formatting. So we can do it different ways. We could select, like, I want to get rid of the salary in this color. I can go over here and click on the clear all, and that clears everything. So if you want to just clear the formats, you click the formats and then it becomes just numbers, just percents. If you want to clear the contents, that's what it looks like, and you still have your formatting. And then if we move over here, we can select this right here and clear the formats. And now the formatting has been removed. So think about that whenever you get something from someone. You don't have to copy and paste it. You don't have to start a new workbook. All you need to do is clear all if you want to get rid of everything, or clear formats or clear content. There you have it. Clean data, no chaos. Keep your content, lose the clutter, all in one step using clear formatting.